Right, in this video we're being asked to write down the size of each angle stated. So first of all we're asked to find angle ABD with a little hat on the B. Now what does that actually mean? So if we start here at A and go along to B and then go up to D, it means find this angle here, which is 137. So in the first case, ABD is equal to 137 degrees. In part B, we're being asked to find CBD. So CBD will mean this angle here, which is 43 degrees. Notice that that also could have been written as DBC. The important thing is that the B is in the middle with the hat on it. Part C, HEF. So HEF is this one here, 123 degrees. Part D, HGF. HGF is going to be this one, 138 degrees. And then GFE. GFE is going to be this one, 147 degrees. And finally, GEHG is going to be this one, 52 degrees. So looking at this, you should be, given the three letters, be able to identify the angle. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.